Yeah, hello guys, what's up? Let's start this another video of this Hunter Assassin. Okay, I got this new knife. Actually, it's good looking. Okay, equipped. Then come back to the normal levels. Okay, it's level 36. Okay, let's start. Okay, already explored the many other games and recently I played this Ono one. Please check it in my channel too if you're interested. And okay, oh come on man, let's finish this up. And here too. Oh, don't do that like that. Okay, he's up for me. Okay, it's cleared then. Okay, and yeah, okay guys, I have also, yes, I said initially other games also explored in my channel, and please watch it there and start with the level 37 and finish this up first. Okay, someone got noticed me. No. Okay, my HP is too low now. Okay, I clear that. I didn't believe that. And next, we go with the level 38. Okay, I got a diamond here, diamond pack, and let's take that. Okay, let's kill him here. Okay, here, and okay, I got another diamond too. Okay, totally 3 diamonds. Why is this hair color is purple? Okay, let's get a triple kill and got cleared. Okay, that's nice. Okay guys, let's start with the next level. Okay, I got 3 keys and ready to open random. Okay, I got around 150 diamonds. Yeah, level 39. Okay. Okay. I got kills, sorry. Yeah, let's make it. No thanks and retry. Yeah, let's retry. I got killed there. At last, he is the one remained. Look at that moved so smoothly. Yeah guys, it's a bonus level. Let's clear this up. Yeah, this is the most liked game and it's cleared within less than 10 seconds. Yeah, I got this special pack and I should claim that. Okay, let's take you guys directly into the boss level. Yeah, okay, before getting into the boss level, this level is quite interesting. Okay, let's play this for the first level. Okay, I got these 2 kills. Okay, here is the mark is moving. Actually I shouldn't get into that. Okay, you can able to see me right there, but I cleared. Okay, that's interesting. Okay guys, let's end this video here, and with the next video we'll continue the level 42nd.